Hey everyone, this is Victor from CanDrone, and in this video we're going to be doing a bit of a reality check on actually starting a business in the drone industry. We've been seeing a lot of clickbait YouTube videos making it seem like starting a drone business is really easy, and we just wanted to create this video to give you a bit of a reality check so you could see what it would actually take to get into one of these fields. So the first thing we would recommend is to go out and buy a Mavic Mini. The Mavic Mini is a micro drone, and what's great about that is that in most countries you don't actually need a license to fly it. You can also get practice using this drone, and you can see if you can picture yourself using this as your business, see if you actually enjoy using it. And it's also a very low investment. It's quite a cheap drone to get you started. So if you find that you actually like flying the Mavic Mini and you can see yourself using this tool for your career, then the next thing you'd want to do is to get certified as a pilot. If you're in the US, that's going to be the Part 107 you would need to get. If you're in Canada, that's going to be the Transport Canada pilot certification, either the basic or the advanced. And this is really the first step into becoming a commercial drone pilot in some capacity, whatever field you're thinking about getting into. This is going to be the first step. So once you have your pilot license, the next thing you want to do is pick your niche. Now, we don't recommend you get into something easy like real estate photography. There's already so many people doing real estate photography because there's a very low barrier to entry. All you need is a Mavic Mini and you can go and do it. So you're not going to be able to charge a lot for that kind of work, and you're going to have too much competition. So we recommend you get into something that has a higher barrier to entry. So a field that has a high barrier to entry in terms of cost to get in, as well as the technical expertise. So one thing you could do is you could get into a drone system that can do inspections, something maybe has a thermal camera, something that can do photogrammetry. Now, if you get into a system like that, you will obviously have to learn how to use that equipment, but you also need to get maybe certain certificates. Like if you have a thermal camera on your drone, you'll need to get a thermography certificate so that you can operate the camera properly, for instance. So learning how to create those outputs is going to be a big part of either of these options we're presenting. So the other option would be to get into a drone system that has an even higher barrier to entry in terms of cost and equipment, and that would be something like a LiDAR system. So something like the M300 with maybe like an L1. Something like this kind of system is going to be much harder for people to get because it's going to be much more expensive to buy this drone. And LiDAR data processing is a lot more involved. You're going to have to learn the workflow, and it's going to take a lot more time to really understand how you're going to create the deliverables for clients. So the most important thing to realize here, to take away from this video, is that a drone is just a tool for creating outputs for your clients. Only 25% of the work is in actually flying the drone. The rest is in creating these data outputs. So you're going to have to really be on board with learning how to process these data sets that you're going to be capturing with these drones if you're going to start this business. Now, a third and final option is to join a drone service provider. There's no better way to learn this industry than to actually get paid for it on the job. You can learn how to fly the missions. You can learn how to collect that data. Now, if you do want to go out there and start this kind of thing on your own, then it's important to find a reputable drone dealer. A dealer is going to have a lot of really valuable information on these different industries, and they can really help you get started. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.